Once again, poor babes Wodumo continues to shock us week after week. This time, she revealed Mampintsha's extramarital affairs, guys. Babes went to her pastor and revealed that Mampintsha has been cheating on her with someone who she grew up close with. She said her close friend. She also revealed that Mampintsha has been sleeping with her backup dancers, which then led to her firing her dancers. But when she hired new dancers, Mampintsha would continue with his whoring ways and sleep with those new dancers. Now, babes Wodumo broke my heart when she said, and I quote, "He hurt me not only at home but also at work." She further revealed that Mampintsha's DMs are filled with him flirting with multiple women, including celebrities, guys. It was truly such a sad episode to watch, guys. Now, please do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so, guys. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.